So when you're playing drums, it's quite important to have a good grip with your sticks and a good posture in your body, because if you're going to be playing drums for several hours on end, you need to be relaxed so that you don't damage yourself. So the way you want to do it is you want to get close to your pad, and when you hit the pad you want it to be striking the surface at about 45 degrees. So if you've sat down your pad and it's way too high and you're hitting it and your stick's landing flat, you might want to try and put your pad on a lower surface. So the stick should be hitting about 45 degrees. You should be able to stand straight with your shoulders back, your elbows slightly out, your arms relaxed, and most of the motion when you're hitting the pad comes from the wrists rather than the arms. So as you do the later exercises, it's useful to consistently check back in with your body, check that your arms are relaxed, your shoulders back, and that your arms aren't tense, because that's where injury happens. So let's talk quickly about how we hold the sticks. So if you come a bit closer. So I'm holding the stick in both hands, it's symmetrical. I'm holding the stick mostly with these 3 fingers. And then the other fingers just curl around it loosely. And when I hold the stick near the pad, my knuckles are pointing towards the ceiling and the main joints of my fingers are pointing towards the floor like this. So you should be able to give the stick a waggle, and it should be relatively loose between these 3 fingers, enough that the stick can move a little bit up and down on its own. And this is really important because when we do our basic strokes later, you're going to rely on the bounce of that stick and the freedom of motion. So to summarise, stick, loosen the fingers, 3-finger grip, other fingers round, shoulders back, relaxed arms, and the motion comes from the wrist. And you should be good.